Hi, welcome to Living with Cam. My name is Camilla, and for quite some time now, I've been on a weight loss journey. One of the main things that helps me to stay on track with my weight loss journey is meal prepping. The reason I choose to meal prep is because it's easy, it's quick, and it's convenient. 1 to 2 hours of work on a Sunday, and I don't have to cook for the rest of the week. And then 2, it helps me to fight those cravings. Like if I want a quick snack or something quick to grab, I already have my snacks and everything prepped. So I'm not tempted to get fast food or chips or anything I really shouldn't have out of hunger because I already know what I'm gonna have and it's easily accessible to me. Today, I'm going to show you a week's worth of meal prep meals, including breakfast, lunch, snacks, and dinners. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe, share it with somebody, and click the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. For the oatmeal, I just followed the package directions. For the most part, oatmeal is 1 part oatmeal to 2 parts liquid. You can use water or milk, any type of milk you want, whole milk, 2% milk, almond milk, cashew milk, whatever type of milk they got. I normally would have used almond milk, but I'm out, so I just use water. So I added that to my crock pot, set it on high, and let it cook for about 2 hours. In about 2 hours it's done, it comes out perfect every time. Like I said earlier, for lunch and dinner, we're making egg roll bowls. To start the egg roll bowls, I'm actually gonna start with my shrimp because that's the easiest thing. A lot of people like to cook their shrimp on top of the stove. I personally do not. I love to bake my shrimp. It's super easy, super quick, and the shrimp come out perfect literally every time. You cannot mess this up. To start on the shrimp, make sure that your shrimp is dry. Dry. That's why I have it placed on a paper towel and I have a paper towel on top. I'm gonna take it out, the paper towel off, and put all of my shrimp in this clear bowl right here. Once you have all the shrimp in the bowl, this is super simple. I'm just gonna add a little bit of my grapeseed oil. Not too much, just a little bit. I'm gonna add my Mrs. Dash garlic and herb. And you can add as much or as little of this as you like because there's no salt in it. And then I'm gonna add the classic Old Bay. That side ain't doing it for me. Then I'm gonna take my hands, which I have already pre-washed, and just mix everything all up together. I love using my hands with certain things in the kitchen because you can really feel your food and make sure that everything is well mixed together and incorporated. But please make sure you wash your hands. And this, I'm sorry, I forgot to mention, this is large peeled and deveined shrimp that still has the tail on. My oven is already preheated to 425 degrees. So all I'm going to do is place my shrimp on my pan like so. And I'm done. I'm going to go wash my hands and then pop these into the oven for about 6 to 10 minutes. It doesn't take long for shrimp to cook. You know they're done when the tails turn pink and they become like a translucent color. Like I said, I'm just about to pop these into the oven at 425 for between 6 to 10 minutes. Okay, so just like we did with the shrimp, we're gonna season up our chicken. This is already clean chicken. This is chicken breast fillets that have been thinly sliced. I also wanted to make sure that these were dry. I'm actually preheating my pan now. I'm gonna add a little bit of grapeseed oil to the pan. This is a non-stick pan. So what I'm going to do is take my Mrs. Dash table blend, my Weber Kickin chicken, and some black pepper and season this chicken. Remember that Mrs. Dad doesn't have any salt, so you can use as much or as little as you like. And I'm going to add some black pepper. I really like black pepper. I'm going to take my tongs and place this chicken in the pan. I'll just do 2 at a time. And while it's in the pan, I'm going to season the other side. We're just going to wait on our chicken to finish cooking, and then we'll move on to the next step. Okay, so while our chicken is cooking, we're going to prep our vegetables. Now, I will say this. I'm going to use this whole onion because I'm actually making 2 batches of this dish because I said I'm making a lunch portion and a dinner portion. So for each portion, you would only need a half of an onion, unless you really, really like onions. But I'm going to use the whole onion. So we just took our last piece of chicken out of the oil. And as you can see, there's still a good amount of oil in here. And some of our seasonings. So we're just going to take a little bit of the seasonings out. Don't try this at home because that was hot. But I'm used to cooking, so it's alright. I'm going to use the same pan because it still has a lot of good flavor in it. I'm going to cut it down some though. And I'm going to add my onions. Now I am going to make this in 2 batches because it's actually too much coleslaw mix to make the full thing. But if you were just doing 1 batch, you would just do this 1 time. So I'm going to add half the onion that we chopped. Now I'm going to add some minced garlic in there. If you have fresh garlic, feel free to use that. I had minced on hand, so that's what I'm going to use. Just need about a spoonful of that. Not too much, maybe a little bit more because I like garlic. It's all like, meal prep and cooking is all based on what you like. You could take away or add to any of them seasons that I have put on anything thus far. Like, it's really all about what you like and your food, the taste you like. But that's the one thing I cannot stress enough. When you are trying to eat healthy, you have to season your food. Your taste buds are going to get tired of that bland food if all you ever making is salads. Or, you know, just the basic, most simplest thing. Like, you have to season your food. Even when I eat just a regular salad, I will still put seasoning on it. I will still put that Mrs. Dad's table blend on there. And a little sprinkle of salt just on the salad. And it switches up. It gives it some flavor, something different. You have to season your food when you're trying to eat healthy. Stir this up. Alrighty. This looks about good. I don't really want to take that garlic too far. That's why I waited to add it to the end. Y'all, this could not be simpler. All I'm going to do is add a bag and a half. A bag and a half of pre-made coleslaw mix. I'm telling y'all, this is easy. If I can do it, anybody can. I'm gonna do a half of this leg. Wow, this don't work. So it's gonna cook now. That's on for my next batch. And we're just gonna sit here and work this until it cooks down. We're just gonna keep stirring it, constantly stirring it, taking what's at the bottom and shifting it to the top until it's all cooked and heat through. Okay, so as you can see, it has cooked down a little bit. And I did say that this was an egg roll bowl. So what I'm going to add is this Sazon Goya seasoning. Y'all, I love this seasoning. It is so good. I'm going to actually show y'all the box. I'm going to put y'all on if y'all don't know what this is. This right here come in a box just like this. I get mine from Walmart, but you can get it from Walmart, Kroger, wherever you buy groceries. Y'all, this is so good. So I'm going to put a packet of this on here. You don't need much. Put a packet of this on here. And I'm going to add some light soy. I really don't like to use regular soy because it's just too salty to me. But if that's what you like or that's what you got, use it. And this is a lot of cabbage, so you do want to add a good amount of it. That's why I like to use the light soy. And you just keep stirring it up like that. Okay, so I just basically made like a little well in the middle, a little nest, whatever you want to call it, and pushed all the cabbage to the side. I'm going to just add 2 eggs to it because I want to and because it tastes really good. And I'm just going to mix those up and cook those in the middle. And once those are done cooking, this dish will be done. I just have to make it again. Now my eggs are cooked up. I'm just gonna mix everything all through together. And we are done. It is cooked. I can actually put this off. I'll come back to you guys when I'm plating everything up and slicing the chicken so you can see the finished product. Okay, so all of our chicken is done. I've actually went ahead and put all of our egg roll mix in the bowls. So all I have to do now is chop the chicken, put it on in the bowls, and then put my shrimp in the bowls. I'm gonna do to each one of these bowls is just put some yum sauce, just drizzle a little bit on the top. I got the light version because I'm trying to be healthy and I don't need all the sugar and the carbs, but it's just a little drizzle will do you good. Just a little bit. And that's it. Okay guys, so this is the finished meal prep. We have our breakfast, we have our lunch, we have our dinner, and we have our snacks. For the snacks, actually I really like this pickled okra. It like tastes really just like pickles, it's just okra. So I might eat like 1 or 2 of these per day. I don't portion them out because I might not want them, or I might want them. It's just a little quick snack. What I do portion out is my watermelon. I have 1 of these a day. I really like watermelon. And then I have 2 string cheese sticks. These are low-fat string cheese sticks. And I have 2 of these a day. So let me explain the oatmeal to you a little bit. These are my bowls of oatmeal. They're plain. I showed you how to make them in the crock pot. There's absolutely nothing in this oatmeal. This right here is protein powder. It's flavor protein powder. Actually, let me show you the protein powder. It is my Quest Cinnamon Crunch protein powder. So essentially what I'm going to be making this week is apple pie oatmeal. So I'm going to add my protein powder, 1 to each one. I'm going to sprinkle just a little bit of granola on each one. And then I have some Honey Crisp apples that I'll just chop up each day and put it on there. Because you guys know that apples turn brown, and so I didn't want to chop them up today and then they turn brown. So that's something simple I can do. Just chop each one up and put it in there each day. And I have my apple pie oatmeal. This is all the flavor that you need because protein powder is sweetened. So that's about all that you need. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Leave me a comment down below letting me know what type of meal preps you like to make and what you would like to see me make in the future. I make all types of things, so I'm going to keep giving you guys content. Please like this video, share it, subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you don't miss any time that I upload. Have a blessed week, guys. Bye.